This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Roxanne Salai. Nature lovers looking for a relaxed community feel and maintenance-free living, retreat to the trees in this gorgeous, well-maintained Landings Treehouse, perfect for the nature lover who wants to enjoy a beautiful home in the trees while being close to shopping, beaches, downtown, culture, and great restaurants. Walk from the quietly canopied streets up the steps to your treehouse that feels more like a townhome than a condo. Enter through the foyer with powder room and into the glorious living room/dining room with cathedral ceiling and engineered hardwood floors. Continue through the new impact-rated sliding glass doors to the large screened lanai surrounded in natural Florida foliage. The kitchen has been updated with solid wood cabinets, newer appliances, brand new refrigerator, hands-free sink, and a sunny breakfast nook with floor-to-ceiling impact-rated windows and sturdy mesh blinds. Upstairs, the entire second floor has new luxury vinyl plank flooring. Artfully updated bathrooms with Cambria Quartz countertops and tile work in shower and tub. The principal bedroom has a huge walk-in closet with a skylight and recently upgraded shelving by Closets by Design. All three bedrooms have impact-rated sliders out to a balcony. The garage floor is sealed, has keypad entry, impact-rated door and window, a charging station for your electric car, and room for your kayak that can be launched from 2 locations in the Landings. This community is fully equipped with maintenance staff, active condo board, and community pool. Also included in your COA fee is exterior insurance, exterior maintenance including the cedar wood exterior and roof, pest control, BB/high-speed basic internet/cable service. This is a great home, community, and location. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxanne Salai at 941-350-2436.